How to edit videos on Windows in VideoPad. Download VideoPad at nchsoftware.com/VideoPad to get started. Import your video files into VideoPad by dragging and dropping them directly into the program or by clicking on the Add Files button. Select a clip in your file bin by clicking it. Then, trim your clip by moving the red and blue brackets on the timeline to keep only the best parts. Click on the Video Effects button to add effects such as crop, auto levels, green screen, sensor, spotlight, and more. When you are ready to begin stitching your videos together, drag your video clips onto the timeline from the media bin. Arrange your clips in the order you would like, and then add a video transition between them by clicking on the transition button between each clip. Add music or a narration to your movie on the audio tracks to grab the viewer's attention. Add text to your movie by clicking on the Add Text button. When your movie is ready to share with the world, click on the Export Video button on the Home tab and select from the list of export options. For more detailed video tutorials on editing with VideoPad, visit the address shown on your screen.